Hello, let's do this design. And this is the end result. The main point of this video is to show you my technique and also my mistakes, and hope you can learn from it. Here I'm using base gel over the powder nails to help the next layer of gels to stay on and to prevent from peeling. We're going to apply the background color for the peppermint design and also for the nails. D&D 517 Lollipop. Apply a nice even coat to all the nails and let it cure. For the design we use white. This is the setup that I will be using. A palette for the design, some acetone to clean the brush, and some paper towel to wipe off the brush. And also for the brushes that I'm using, thick brush like right now for the silhouette, and then a thinner brush for detail later, and a cleanup brush for any mistake. I just wipe it off. So start from one point, so point A to point B. We'll think of this as point A, B, and C. A is one point, B is the center, C is the other end point. So start from one point, go clockwise to the center, and then counterclockwise to the other point. And if you don't have a cleanup brush handy, you use your finger, wipe it off on the towel, and carry on with the design. Now I'm using a thinner brush, a detail brush. I'm cleaning with acetone and wipe it off on the paper towel and start getting the detail of the peppermint design. Once you get better at design the peppermint candy, you can skip the silhouette part and just go straight to the detail. Same concept from point A clockwise to the center, and then counterclockwise to the end point. Let's add a unique touch to our design. Let's add a little diamond to it. Full cure, and we're going to apply top coat. Apply top coat around the diamond, not over the diamond. And you're all set, and the end result will look like this. Thank you for watching, and have a good holiday.